by Palm Coast, not Palm Springs.
No, that's California.
Different part of the country. All right, let's do this.
Dolphin.
Oh, dolphin? Here.
It was
Right here. There he is, right there. Right there.
Yeah, right under the boat. Very cool, huh?
I got him going right on the boat by us. Oh! Right up the stern. How cool is that?
Sometimes they travel.
Oh my gosh, it jumped! I've never seen it jump over into the water. Oh, there's two of them. Oh, what? Oh, there they are. Yay! Thank you guys. That was awesome. Yeah. You're a pretty good boat dog. Woo. Good way to start the new year. Oh, we saw lucky dolphins.
Lucky
Yep.
dolphins.
It's gonna be a good year, I just know it.
Saw some lucky dolphins.
Well, there's no other kind. It's the only kind of dolphin there is. Time to do some adulting today. We drove down to Daytona Beach and we're at the Dodge dealership. And we are getting our transmission flushed, and also a belt's been squeaking and we've neglected to replace that.
My bad.
The underhood generator belt.
Probably should have been changed 10,000 miles ago, but
Yeah. Not today's the day. We haven't had any problems with it, and we don't want to have a problem with it.
we have a spare, so we're gonna have them changed if they can.
Yeah. So we'll see. We'll see how this goes. I think it'll be good. Okay, so we talked to them. It's gonna be a couple hours. They're familiar. They get these vans in ever so often. So if you are on the east coast of Florida, this is in Daytona.
It's a truck center, so I figured
yeah.
it'd be good.
So
And it was recommended to us by our friends, and the customer service here has been top notch. They didn't have an appointment. They said, oh, you're passing through, be here at 9:30, talk to Jessica, we'll squeeze you in somehow. All right.
yeah, so that's awesome. So we're gonna go for a walk here and yeah, hopefully get our van back in a couple hours. So this is like an auto mall area, and we're just walking through all the car lots here, and I see Ford Transits. I'm super curious about what those are gonna look like at the Tampa show. It's a good looking rig.
38.
38 what? Oh, for the chassis. Yeah. Uh-huh.
Right.
Yeah. Looks good. So yes, we are going to be at the Tampa show. We'll be in the Road Truck booth January 19th from 2 to 5 and January 20th from 11 to 1. And
That's Saturday and Sunday, by the way.
yeah, Saturday and Sunday. We were just talking that if Dave gets some coffee scoops carved up,
Or something carved.
yeah, something, we might do a couple raffles there. So if you guys come, stop by the booth, sign up for the raffle.
How are you gonna do it? Like
I think I'll just have a box and you can write your name and email and phone number or something, and then after the show we'll draw however many, if you have 3
we'll
spoons,
video drawing the names.
Yeah, we'll draw 3 names, or yeah.
I gotta
sure.
carve 3 things?
I mean, or 1 or whatever. There's no rules. We don't know what we're doing, so yeah, stop at the booth. We'll be giving out stickers. Lots of fun
And
stuff.
pistol kisses.
Yeah, she's probably gonna be sensory overload, but we'll see how she does. She'll definitely be there. You're loving this sunshine, huh, Bug? All right, let's see what else we see here. Well, here's some more Transit, Ford Transit.
So that's probably 1 time.
Okay, so the 250, 350.
See, now if I was to build my own, I would probably just put like a small slider window in the back.
Yeah.
So you can see out, but you get fresh air. But I don't need a big giant window in the back.
No, and honestly, I don't need windows back here because we don't use them for vision, and we have it completely covered up, so we do not need windows back here.
This is huge in here.
Let me see.
I don't know if we can see in there. Maybe
no.
from the front.
Yeah, I'm probably just getting a reflection. Oh, wow. That does look huge without anything. Huh. So there's no seats or anything in there. It's just the...
How much is it?
Oh, how much is it, he asks. How much is it? It is 44.
44?
44.2 for just the chassis, completely empty.
Here we go.
I know. Well, I was thinking this down here, like the old ambulance trucks.
They're gonna pass through.
Does it?
Looks like you make a pass through.
Whoa.
That would be huge inside of it.
That would be cool if that had a pass through,
Look at
because you know,
clearance.
I gotta have access to my bathroom. Oh, look at the clearance on this. Wow. We could go some places in
With
that.
some BF Goodrich all-terrain tires.
Can you imagine the gas mileage though? Someone got hot. Had to cool off. You little girl. You silly little girl. We got the van back. So we had them leave in the old Serpentine Belt so we could check it out and kind of see what it looks like. It did take longer than we anticipated, but there was a warranty thing that needed fixed. Oops, excuse me, girl. So they actually had to unload the whole back end of the van and repair something under warranty. It was like a tow light module or something. So that's what took so long. Serpentine Belt. Let's get some light here for a second.
That is cracked up.
Ooh, that was time. That was definitely time.
I would say
We're lucky.
we gambled.
see that
We
again.
gambled. I'm gonna get this parking spot.
Yeah, I know you do.
Ooh, I guess we could have wound up spending a lot more time at a Dodge dealership if that had broke.
We could have, yeah. So we have 68,000 miles on our van.
I think they recommend 50,000.
For those belts, I'm not sure, but we definitely pushed it.
I don't know how we let that get by. Don't be me.
Don't be us. Again, it's another don't do what we do situation. Anyway, our friend,
I mean, we take service very seriously. We change the oil probably twice as much as they require.
Yeah, we
do
do.
every 5,000 miles. When they usually it's like 10. And we're really good about all the service, but for some reason that belt.
we just never had a problem with it.
It powers our batteries. How I wouldn't think about it, I don't know. Let's just not talk about it anymore.
Yeah, let's not.
Let's delete this whole thing and not share it with everyone.
No, we gotta show them what the belt looks like and all that. But so it is 4:20 right now. Yeah.
And we're getting on one of the worst freeways we've driven on, I-95 in Florida.
So we're gonna be heading back north up to Palm Coast, and our friend is actually fishing, surf fishing tonight. He went out, he got some sand fleas. Is that what they were? Sand fleas. He raked for them in the sand or something and got some bait. He's got an extra pole all geared up for Dave, so we're gonna go hunt him down. He's out fishing right now. So yeah, it'll be a fun end to a crazy day. You know what? We did not have an appointment. We called maybe 2 days ago and they said just bring it in, we'll squeeze you in. So we are ever so grateful for them for doing that. And they fixed the warranty issue without us even asking about it.
Didn't know there was a warranty issue. So they had to empty out my garage out back, everything, which is a puzzle because there's so much in there, to do something. It was a recall on a tow light.
Yeah, tow light module.
Which we never used.
Yeah.
Anyway, plus they have a great shuttle service. They shuttled us wherever we wanted to go, the Outlet Mall. And
yeah, we went to the Outlet Mall after we kind of cruised through the car lots here. Guess what we bought? We were there about 3 hours. Nothing. Oh, we bought a sandwich and a water. That was it. Nothing else. You really have to be selective when you live in a van. All right, next stop, the beach.
there's the Atlantic.
That's the Atlantic. Brian's already down there fishing. Look, he's got your pole in the water right now.
Dude.
Dude, if you don't catch anything, we're gonna go hunt down something good to eat.
I'm gonna catch us some fish tacos in a minute.
All right. The Atlantic. Have you got anything? Let's see. Sand fleas. Do they bite? Can I pick one up? Ooh! 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 Ah! Ah! I'm scared. I want to look at one. Ah! Okay, he's gonna tell me how he gets these sand fleas because I want to know.
So you rake them up with a big mesh rake, and then you rinse out the rake, and they're stuck inside.
Really? And they don't bite.
No.
Weird.
Don't piss, so don't get the sand, please.
I actually always thought sand fleas were actually biting little fleas. Is there a thing like that?
Well, I think they call these sand crabs in some places.
Sand crabs.
And sand fleas around here, they're known as sand fleas. Yeah.
Well, they're kind of cute. And what fish are we fishing for out here? I don't even know. Sheephead.
But we're not particular.
Oh, yeah, okay. We're not picky. Jellyfish! Oh no! It's going back in! Oh, that's cool! Wow! I've seen quite a few jellyfish down here, but not this kind. We got skunks fishing, but that didn't stop us from fish tacos, man. We're at Graham Swamp Trailhead here, still in Palm Coast. Dave's getting ready to go on a bike ride. I guess this is a pretty crazy mountain biking area. But I wanted to show you again this belt in maybe some daylight, or we saw see if you can find that one spot. Yeah, look at that, folks.
Don't be me.
Don't be us. Don't be us and wait to 68,000 miles.
It's embarrassing.
It is a little bit, but hey.
We even share the dumb things we do, people.
Well, yeah, that's our life.
Yeah.
Everything worked out, but it definitely could have taken a turn.
Your fault, Pistol.
Oh, Pistol.
It's your fault.
No.
You should have reminded me to change the belt.
She doesn't get the blame for nothing, even eating all the dog bones, huh? Cool, we're still hanging out in this area for a few more days, I think. So Dave's gonna hit this trail, and then there's another trail I think we're gonna hit. I'm gonna go on that one. Lots of fun stuff coming up. We will see you on the other side of this trail.
You wrapping this one up?
That's a wrap.
That's a wrap.
Carry on.
Carry on.